to delete your Discord account in less than 1 minute, easy and fast method. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your Discord account fast and easy. First thing, go to Discord. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go down and click on this option here down below. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options, but you have to choose the my account option, the second one. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is go down and you will find delete account. Click on it and you will be able to delete your account easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much for watching.